It's the morning show on Indigo 91.9.
Wake up.
Calvin Harris there with This Is What You Came For on the morning show with me, Evita Lewis. 10:18 is the time right now. And as promised, I have somebody on the phone with me. Can you introduce yourself, sir?
This is Nikhil Rungta. I am the Managing Director for Intuit QuickBooks in India. I am so happy to be on the show today. I think QuickBooks is a global brand which is in India, and I am very, very happy to announce that in this new regime of GST, we have our product is just completely ready for GST to help our customers. We're ready to help the small businesses in the country to accelerate the growth of their business.
Let me ask you, for somebody that's listening right now and has no idea what QuickBooks is, can you give us a quick rundown of what QuickBooks is? Is it like a personal accounting software? Is it for running a business? What is it?
Great question. Essentially, QuickBooks helps you run your business better in very simple terms. So if you are a small business owner and you are looking for something that will help you be in complete control of your business so that you feel confident that, yes, I'm on top of the business that I'm running today, that's what QuickBooks helps you do by helping you look at your financial statements like cash flow statements, profit and loss statements. Also, it helps you to do certain things like generating invoices, which is the holy grail of doing any business, right? Like you might be doing some freelance work, and on a recurring basis, you have to send invoices to your clients. We have a very simple system where you can just set up the recurring invoices and they will keep on going. More importantly, we have now introduced a lot of newer technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning. You can track your invoices, almost like it happens on WhatsApp, wherein you can see that your invoice has been sent, it has been viewed, and whenever it gets paid, you can also track that. So how's that for a small business owner who is now in complete control?
Just gotten started here, chatting with Nikhil Rungta, the Managing Director for Intuit QuickBooks in India. More questions for Nikhil coming up right after this.
Indigo 91.9.
Macklemore there with his brand new tune called Glorious. 10:34 is the time right now. I'm Evita Lewis hanging out with you on the morning show right here on Indigo 91.9. Still chatting with Nikhil Rungta, the Managing Director of Intuit QuickBooks in India. Now, a lot of people have used QuickBooks in the past. So how has it gotten better in the last 6 years?
We are now on the cloud. You're not stuck to a desktop. Today you can use QuickBooks from wherever, on the go, wherever you are. So that's one huge change which has happened. All the goodness that we previously had, it's just gotten better. Today you can visualize how your business is doing, the health of your business in real time. We have these things like online banking, where once you connect your bank, you immediately start seeing how your cash flow is looking like. You can be in a great position on 30th of the month to see whether you have enough cash in the bank to pay your employees or to pay the taxes to the government.
So how does GST work with QuickBooks? Because look, GST just came out, but QuickBooks has been around for a while. So is QuickBooks able to accommodate all the different nuances of GST?
We've been in India for the last 4 years, and now we understand the market as deeply as anybody else. And we knew GST is coming, and last 1 year, our teams, product and engineering teams have been working day and night to ensure that on 1st of July, when our customers open QuickBooks, they are GST ready, which means that they'll be able to create GST compliant invoices. They'll be able to read the GST reports to track what's going on. We have already introduced a lot of this, which will help our customers and businesses to ensure that they are with the time.
We've got a few more questions about GST, QuickBooks, and all of that, and it's all coming up in just a little bit.
Come on, we want some more.
Don't move a nerve. We'll be right back with more GST Decoded in music. Presented by Intuit QuickBooks. Indigo 91.9.
Shawn Mendes with one of my favoriteest tunes right now, There's Nothing Holding Me Back. 10:49 is the time right now. I'm Evita Lewis, keeping you company on the morning show. Still in conversation with Nikhil Rungta, the Managing Director for Intuit QuickBooks in India. Now, let's say I have an idea for a small business. Maybe I want to create desserts for pets and sell them through my online portal. Can QuickBooks help me with this?
Oh, absolutely. If you're selling to someone, one of the first things you would like to do to your customer has picked up something you would like to invoice him. QuickBooks helps, and they are very easy to create. You just go, enter your logo, enter some of your details, and boom, you are able to create these professional-looking invoices which you can start sharing with your customers. QuickBooks will help you automate and do it for you. We want to be champions of those who dare to dream. You know, we were launched as a company 35 years back with the whole intention of helping people for whom finance was something which was very difficult. With QuickBooks, you can focus on what you love to do and leave the rest to us, whether it's creating invoices or looking at reports. we'll take care of that.
Well, thank you so much for chatting with us, Nikhil. It's been an absolute pleasure, and I feel so much more educated about GST. We will come back to you next week with more questions.
Thank you so much.